As conversations grow, it becomes harder to keep track of which messages actually need attention. With Periskope, you can automatically flag important messages so nothing gets overlooked. Start by heading over to the Automation Rules dashboard. From here, select New Rule and then choose Start from Template. You'll see that automation templates are already organized into different categories. For this, select Automated Flagging. Within this category, you'll find a couple of ready-to-use templates. First, flag messages for specific keywords. This is useful when certain words or phrases indicate priority or urgency. It helps your team quickly identify messages that need immediate attention without having to manually scan every conversation. Next, flag messages on mentions. This is helpful in team environments where multiple people are involved in conversations. It ensures that whenever someone is tagged, the message is automatically flagged, making it easier to track and respond without delays. Let's take a closer look at flag messages for specific keywords. For this template, the workflow is already set up for you. It starts with the trigger when a new message is received. By default, this applies to messages from external contacts, but you also have the option to include messages from internal numbers if needed. Once that happens, the action follows automatically, which is to flag the message. This ensures that important messages are highlighted instantly. This is further refined using conditions. In this case, the rule checks the message body for specific keywords like important or urgent. You can edit these keywords or add new ones depending on what matters most to your team. So when a message matches those conditions, it gets flagged automatically, making it easier to prioritize and respond. Once everything is set, simply save and activate the rule. And just like that, your automated flagging workflow is up and running in a few minutes. The same flow applies to the other automated flagging templates as well. Triggers, actions, and conditions are already configured, so you can activate them right away and adjust them if needed to better fit your workflow. So instead of manually scanning every message, you can let automation highlight what matters, so your team can focus on the right conversations at the right time. Want better visibility into important messages? Give Periskope a try using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.